To you, my follower, I personally want to wish you a blessed 2026. And for the whole of this year, always remember this. If God made you see this year, He has already made provision for it. If you're still waking up every day, He's not yet done with you. Usijali. And He does not waste seasons. Siku moja tu itajipa. Time yako ikifika, everything will align. I wish you the best of 2026. Biashara zijipe, mambo ifunguke, na tuombe sana. Tuendelee kuomba. Na nimesema tena, kama Mungu amefanya uone 2026, He has already made provisions for it. Sawa. Na kama anafanya uamke daily, He's not yet done with you. Mambo itakuwa sawa. All the best. I love you guys.